What does it mean to be the underdog? It means that timing is everything. The goal becomes taking advantage of the moment when chance and coincidence collide. And at the 1971 Spa 24-hour race, timing collided with destiny. AMG's entry, the infamous Red Pig, upstaged a crowd anticipating failure. On that day, it earned first-in-class honors, rejecting any perceived judgment. And after that, it disappeared, never to be seen again. Mother Nature spawned a tribute to carry on its legacy. Meet the Silber-Sau. Built by Mercedes, the 300 SEL packs a 6.8-litre V8 with 420 horsepower and a 6-speed manual transmission. What I love about this thing is it's a monumental piece of history. Yes, it's fast. Yes, it's loud. But the reason it's being recreated has less to do with sheer performance and more to do with what it represents. Success against all odds. It's a tribute to a deserving minority, the underdogs who come out on top.